and welcome to my channel. It's Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm here with the meal plan for the week of August 13th through August the 19th. So just to remind you, let's pull this out. This is my home planner, and I just took the home planner expansion kit and I just threw it on some disc and used a recycled cover. So to remind you of what our spread looked like last week, we had this watermelon spread, and that budget was set for $115. We spent about $115.99 on groceries last week. And that addition is due to the little extra amount that we have to feed. And of course he needs snacks and all of that. So yes, that is where we were last week. So in line with Operation Use What You Have, I'm going to definitely use the same exact to-do paper that was in that expansion kit that I never used. So I've chosen a pineapple theme. So this pineapple washi comes from the Happy Planner, and this was a twin set, and I don't remember if I got it at Hobby Lobby or did I get it from Michael's, but these are the two that we're using. All right. So let me just tell you. So I decided that on Sunday, I wasn't feeling my best on Sunday. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and just, I was just going to prepare meals as I normally do. Let me tell you, even though I haven't been meal prepping that long, I never want to do that ever again in life, okay? I do not want to cook during the week. It's not something that I'm interested in. Now, what I can do, like a little quick taco for the kid, I can do, but everything else is definitely going to have to be meal prepped. I'm just not doing it. It's just really like a new way of life for me, and anything that throws me off, that really threw me off. So, yeah. But, you know, all in all, he did enjoy everything that I prepared. He ate it. No complaints. So that's always a good feeling. You know, with little ones, they're sometimes very picky. And, you know, I don't know what school you guys come from, but I come from the old school. My mother, if she prepared a meal, and if it was something that you didn't eat, you better not have said anything about it. That's right. Whatever she prepared on that menu and whatever she cooked, that's what you were going to eat, okay? And if you didn't want to eat it, that's fine. You're going to have it until you ate it. So, yes, kids nowadays, it's a different time. They're doing different things. But it was so interesting, of course, as I had my children, she didn't operate like that. Even though, like, she made me, and let me tell you, I am so nowadays that anything that lady made me eat or forced me to eat, I do not eat. I'm not eating okra. I'm not eating oatmeal. I'm not eating mixed vegetables. The vegetables on their own, I'll probably eat. I don't like cooked carrots. It's just so many different things that I developed the taste for that I won't eat just because I was forced to eat it. So she did not allow me to force my kids. Well, she didn't want me to force my kids, and I didn't because, you know, as coming from such a strict household where, you know, my mom kind of forced us to eat whatever it is that she had assigned to be eaten. Yeah. I didn't want to raise my girls that way. And guess what? Even so, I still have at least one of the world's most pickiest eaters. My older daughter is so picky. Even to this day, she's super picky. All right, so I am not stamping this week as I am a little pressed for time, but I wanted to get this done. For pens, Papermate Ink Joy Gels. So we'll just put the date here. So it's going to be 8:13 through 8:19. And this is a 0.07. It seems to be skipping. I don't use these pens very often, so sometimes I think that's why it skips. And we're gonna grab this lime green. We're gonna put our $ for our projected amount. I'm gonna put that again at $115 this week, because by the time you buy lunch and snacks, it is what it is. Now I'm going to grab Paper Mate Flares in medium, in green and yellow, and I'm going to date this since I'm not stamping. And I'm going to try to just do tall, skinny dates. So 13. I think I'm gonna do I might look a little crazy, but I'm trying to be creative. I'm trying to let my creative juices flow. Okay. And we have 16. Nice. Then 17. Why is this so short? Okay, I know what I need to do. I'm going to fix this washi tape, because it's so thick, it's taking up 2 lines, and I don't need it to do that. So let me grab myself a ruler here to try to at least cut off this bottom half of it and make it skinnier. And then I could take it and flip it and use it on the back side. We won't waste. Yep. Let's hope that's pretty straight. If it's not, I'm really not like pressed. Yeah, that looks better. I'll have to replace that green there, but I'm okay with doing that. Because this only 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was only 3, so this one is probably fine, but this one had to be trimmed down. All right, so I'm gonna sit and put this little green one right on back over here. There we go. All right, if it wants to come back down, come on back down, boo. All right. So I told Mr. Master Plan that I would not be purchasing. It's going to be hard. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed that nothing else comes out before this Happy Planner fall release, because he's like, so you're doing Operation Use What You Have, but you're steady buying stuff. And I explained to him that I always planned to, I had always planned on getting this this exclusive mega box. Like, that was always in my plan, even though, because if you go back to the videos where I said that he was all up in my Kool-Aid, you will see that I said, with the exception of the upcoming Joann's mega box and those new things. So I did purchase some of them. I'm not going to get any of them. If, you know, those combo books, I got 3. And if everything works out and they're part of the permanent line, I'm not worried about it. I have them, and I'm just going to go from there. If they don't sell them anymore, then they just don't sell them. I'm just going to have to put myself in the mindset that, you know what? I don't have to get each and everything that comes out. But I like that new. So, yeah, about that. It's a struggle. So we are doing a meatloaf and potatoes meal prep on Monday. And on Tuesday, we are doing cilantro lime chicken tacos. Because, of course, it's Taco Tuesday again, because the boy is here. cilantro, lime. And he is so excited, you know, that we operate in this way. Like, we have a menu. He knows what we're going to eat. He knows where to come look at everything. So, you know, I'm kind of proud of us providing him this stability. We had that last year, but he was not into it last year. So on Wednesday, we are going to have leftovers. So I'm just going to write leftovers here. And then I'm going to put the meatloaf. I hate that this is skipping. All right. Yeah. Kind of sucks. See if I have a second one of these green cakes. I don't think that I do. Okay. Well, yes, I do have a second one. Here it is. This one is actually a 0.7 as well. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's much better. All right, right and smooth like an ink joy gel should. All right, so on Thursday, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we are having a balsamic steak salad. I can't read my writing. I wrote it too small and I can't even read it. Balsamic grilled steak salad with peaches. Don't that sound good? It's a shame I can't read my own writing. All right. And then on Friday, we eat out. And I think I have a sticker for that. So we'll leave that for Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We're having a cookout for Marley. So, and it's going to be a kids cookout. So we're going to have hot dogs, hamburgers, kids stuff. All right. And then Sunday, because we will be traveling to take him back home, we're probably going to have some type of leftover from the cookout. All right. So those are our scrumdiddlyumptious meals. So let's go find us some stickers. Let's make this thing pop it out. So I know I want to include some pineapple stickers, and of course I am using, as I always do, Happy Planner Food Sticker Book, and there are some pineapples in here, so we want to probably incorporate a pineapple. All right, let's put that there. I know that the day that we're having that steak salad, it has peaches, so I'm going to put peach here. Hot dogs and hamburgers, and I know there's hot dogs and hamburgers in here because we saw that last week. Let's see. Yes, hot dogs and hamburgers. Come through. We're putting that on Saturday. Here is a hot dog. Here's a juicy hamburger. Yes, I am feeling it. And meatloaf and potatoes. So I'm going to, of course, on Taco Tuesday, go ahead and lay down a taco. And I'm gonna lay it here. And then we're gonna put a potato over there where the potatoes are. All right, as soon as I find the potatoes, maybe it was back here. Okay, we're getting back. We're getting warm to the veggies. Little potato right there. That is so cute. All right, so I'm gonna grab one of my makeshift sticker books, and it has the, it's not a makeshift one, it's the actual little sticker book. Insert this one. And I know I have food stickers here. And so, let's see. I could put this prep sticker down here for the meal prep we're gonna do on Sunday when we get back. And I'm looking for Eat Out. There it is. It doesn't really match my color scheme, but it says Eat Out, and that's what I care about, that it says Eat Out. Okay, so I have completed my grocery list, and I jumped online and I placed my order at walmart.com/grocery. And just a reminder, this is my meal plan for the week of August 13th through the 19th. And we have this lovely pineapple theme. So budget is set at $115. I hope you've enjoyed this meal plan with me and you prepare your family's meal with lots of love. If you enjoyed watching this meal plan with me, don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Otherwise, make sure you stick to your budget. Have a great and productive week. Ciao, Bella.